Hey friends, this is a brand new GE microwave oven. We've absolutely loved having ours, but it has a little feature that comes with these new models that can either be really great or really annoying if you don't need the child lock feature. So in today's video, we're gonna go over that child lock feature. I'm gonna show you how it works, and I'm gonna show you how to disable it if you need that feature removed. So let me first show you how this child lock feature works. Basically, right out of the box, I'm gonna go ahead and push the button and nothing's gonna happen. If you push over on this left-hand side, you can see the light comes on, but again, nothing is going to open up. And this prevents a child from coming along, opening things up, and touching really hot food. Now, in order to use this with the child lock feature on, what we need to do is come over here to this little button that's on the right-hand side. So I'm gonna push that in with my finger here and then my thumb over here. And as you can see, that door pops right open, easy peasy. So this really isn't too bad of an issue. It's fairly easy to use, but it could be a little bit annoying. So let me show you how to disable things. Now to do this, we're gonna need a Phillips head screwdriver. And again, we're gonna come down to this little button, and as you can see, there's a little slot in there to turn. There's also a little notch that points right now up to the lock. What we need to do is turn it to the right to the unlock position. So I'll push my Phillips head screwdriver in, the button will actually press into the casing, and then I'm just gonna turn to the right. You'll hear a little click, and as you can see, the button actually stays in the casing like that. Then I can just come over, I can hit that button, and again, the door opens without the need for me to push down that button over here on the right. Again, if you want to re-enable this, place your screwdriver inside, turn to the left, the button will actually pop back out, and the child feature is then reactivated. So there you go, friends. That's how you disable or re-enable the child lock feature on these brand new GE microwave ovens. Again, they're awesome ovens. We highly recommend them. You can find them right here on Amazon. We'll actually put some links in the description box below to help with your shopping experience. And then subscribe, stay tuned, because we do a ton of these little product review videos, DIY helpful tutorials to make your life just a little bit easier. We'll see you again on the next one.